This is the second video in a series of videos where I'm trying to swap the Chrysler 8 1/4 rear axle assembly that was damaged from two vehicle side impact collisions. In this video, I'm going to be jacking up and supporting the rear end of my 2005 Jeep Liberty. I'll be using the Harbor Freight Daytona 3-ton jack, Pittsburg 6-ton jack stands, as well as removing the wheels using my Kobalt's 24-volt Max Brushless half-inch impact wrench, tekton impact sockets, impact extensions. Lifting up the rear of a rear-wheel drive vehicle is especially important to make sure that the front wheels are securely blocked, both front and rear, on both wheels, because once you lift that rear end, it's free rolling. My goal is to be able to let you just watch the tools do their job. These have been on there for quite a while. I usually put the tire underneath just to give that little added measure of safety margin if there was some catastrophic failure. Check out my first video and you'll get a little bit of history about the vehicle and what it means to the family. It may be a vehicle that not a lot of folks are going to try to keep from going to a salvage yard, but to me, it still has some value and hopefully some years left in it. These were Loctited in. I bought the Kobalt specifically for doing this work. and I can't say enough good about it. It just has been working fabulously. Frankly, I've been very impressed with all the tools that I've purchased with really good value for the money. So I hope you consider subscribing, because I'm going to continue this series of videos as I get this rear axle assembly swapped. Give me a thumbs up if this has been helpful to you, and I really appreciate the support. Leave comments down below too, because I love hearing what projects everyone's working on, if you're using the same tools or what tools that you like. It's always great to hear the dialogue down below, and I really do enjoy it.